Ama akwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ene asofofo mo Ghana ha. Na nse meeting ahodo ekoso se Dr. Bawumia yepepe ni nti o mana o medu omo so. Ene nse me ekoso asofofo bompa de mo mampenda da mahama wota o mampenda da mahama ne tinyasem keto akra. Na Opambour di mo akotin. Na nse Opambour conference be call so kuma se ko bisa se Ghana card wo de eden. Na Ghana fu be besi Ghana card no. Mint I know where did that temper. Is I say this full supporters don't be asem hu no community hu no. Opambour ka number broom bia obedomo. Na ebusuafo Ghana fu be mo abrochi no mo chese Opambour ni reason na enti on pese NPP bebe because Opambour no support NPP pa the reason na ne say e mo fa no mo ko free SHS no. Sisi the school no work on na sorry ni gu. Ka first na free SHS anyway. Say mo fratia sorry dem ho ani ana pa bia nwumi na water collection and dem of no bia ko school na street mpo unya omo touching your friends e gambra handkerchief na nsu wo mo ho mpanfo kakra na eko Opambour se wenti na o mapenda da maha membre o ni ya bel papa nti Ghana for the etudwa.
And also on your issue with
Prophet, no.
Prophet, you know, because who is the Opambour was MPP. I mean,
I don't know. No, me. I saw for the liar.
Yeah, before what MPP ban, he was the one who professed MPP been winning now.
Oh, okay.
I want to be more corner sorry near there. And the reason
why falling out.
Yeah, well, falling out. And the reason the reason all the preachy and say free SHS, you know. And Kolana no mo ba na sorry no free HHS buy no omo call school eba omo ma sorry biom into the reason or they buy no and I ask myself say if you were preaching to the people and you were leading them to the light I didn't know we go school aba na wo banners na dey bobo omo nsa no omo go school near the MCS three omo say then yo into Kolana go school because most of the church you know move fee enche those years in the eba in class one no ban sorry no so now because of the free SHS the children go to school with their parents near then you know on bus see and according to you no ma sorry biom into free SHS basically good na sorry and I ask myself say I mean how can you say this so who you sure so who can go pass now preach them for and normally said the omunya free one year January I didn't to break us or go school our wakonya nim die nti o ma sorry bio then
auntie no nti no waganya le me kwa ma sem ti na wagana I see
wakawa na sorry ndo all year now I didn't know the free SHS e wa free SHS na den when that is affection for the government in that line,
okay.
And what you call we know, you know, to ask myself, say, into who say, oh, no, say, now support to Mahama, no, say, Mahama, ba, you respect Mahama, so we try free SHS,
no, Mahama, ba, expand the idea to invest it.
Exactly. It is now, oh, same Colamba, I'm a former, sorry, because of free SHS, into go support.
And then you invest one of us, ma.
We are cooking the oh, Casson, I would dear tell me, I mean, so far, we don't want to move dear tell. I mean, because me as an educated person, I see you that way, that's all you say, you are not appealing to me. You are not appealing to me because we are what dear crana. Now, but
I think another one said I'm so they just misinformed him because comment now my mind was not even about him. I said anybody who condemns. Oh, Baby Busama Hama question one condemning. They just misinformed him. Bloggers also don't do much settings. I'm out.
Now, question now, Coco beside who beside question, but you ended up answering the question yourself.
Oh, me put your man here and could do the honoka.
Oh, besides, your friend is saying Ghana card here talk on once I answer a question. So, is this something a preconceived here now? Person who show and I say you will really say now who beside question. I know who to be cocky because okay, Jeffrey Fadi or cocky is see a Kwasiani a boa would me would not radio so near there or dear term near there as a sofa. I mean, some of these things. We have to grow up.
No, function I where season it
yeah, because we have to. And a man of Becos Ghana first was there. No, I mean we are in a political season. we are in a political season. And that idea, okay, so be na a sponsor what call people to be here and they speak for MPP and NDC. You know? I mean, it's an erroneous impression that he is creating. Because don't mean that Obi or Becos already needs to be an Obi na sponsor. No. Me, I've been a teacher in South Africa for 7 years. I taught in Bahamas for 4 years before coming to the US.
Wow.
I know be an sponsor me. So in my favorite radio, so and I say if I like the program, my favorite radio, now I'm showing my political affiliation here. I won't even guys will be a sponsor me and I'm more we seek political power to develop a country. So be support to NDC, support to MPP. It's still the Ghana agenda, and we are in what we call home run to see 2 weeks to election. So be a person or convincing the party because. I mean, political parties are there to win power and to rule. CNN 14 a year. I mean, I admire them the way I would me call it for a trauma, because who was there in their faces, they were not happy.
They were not happy. They were so disappointed.
Exactly, they were so disappointed. And the margin of winner Donald Trump winning, it was
overwhelming.
They have no choice. The appointment one of my breaking news about Donald Trump appoint gays as Obeka. Into that's how the politics is done. I got 2 weeks into be a bar or no kind of say what call me party. Into me, I've supported MPP. My wife is always fighting with me. The party I would be and yet there be other rumors and I will support. Sometimes you don't need to get something, but I mean the idea that you believe in the ideology of the party, that is what that you need because me MPP never mommy. Exactly. But I feel say if the MPP party stays in government, the policies and ideas about me are implementing. If it's able to do it, our country will go far. Because when we tried high school, teaching in high school, and their way of thinking and the way they purpose their minds, government, is helping to develop them. Say, somebody who also think in that line, catch them more. More because this AI, AP pre-calculus, what they work man then they take a picture of the work and allow AI to solve it for them. And they go no child no maybe a mistake or no to me I call AI to me who the right way of solving it, to pointing out to you. So they are thinking ahead. You being so about my night to me day. My and call no mobano. To me thinking so that they can compete with them. Because we winning robotics near the end of Hanoma. Where they are, what we near you. And when it comes to the implementation of Adena, that's a problem. American now what's the theoretical aspect now need practical.
So I really love your input,